Alright, we've got the perfect situation for the sake of the demonstration here. Now, we had some rotten bits here at both ends. I've cut these with a multi-tool. They're really helpful for plunge cutting. I highly recommend the use of that for a job like this. Now you can see I've staggered my joins from one stud to the other. That's just going to give you the best looking result, most natural looking result. Now across the bottom, we need to pack it out so that the bottom weatherboard has the same angle on it compared to the rest. Any other piece that isn't at the bottom is going to kick out a little bit because it's sitting on top of the board below it. But when you're at the bottom, that's not the case. So we've just got a bit of timber, we're going to stick that on, put our full boards across the bottom, and you always start with the lowest one and work your way up. Now, two other things just quickly is you don't need power tools for this. You can cut the weatherboards with a handsaw and you can hand nail them. I will be using power tools. This is my job, so I'm going to make it a lot easier for myself by doing that. Now I'm going to pack that bottom one up 5mm with these packers. That's just going to stop any water from getting trapped. Alright, now I've just levered this next one off the wall a bit so I can sneak the new one underneath. And I've also marked where my studs are on the piece below. Just feel for where the timber is if you can't see through the foil. And that's where we nail. Now you're also going to want to paint any cuts that you make. Keep the timber sealed. Now you should be able to see where the old board came off. You can line up the new board with the paint marks that were left behind when we took it off. And that's how we'll get the height right at both ends, and then we can just use a ruler to check it for evenness all the way along. Now I'm having a hard time pushing this one up to the right spot. It's probably because the nails from the existing board are in the way. So I like to knock it up. The nails will leave an indentation on the board. We'll pull it back out. We'll just do a little check out so we can get past those nails and then nail this last one on.